Most people think AI is killing jobs. But what if I told you people are making $500 a week with ChatGPT, without coding, without showing their face, and starting today? Let me show you how. ChatGPT isn't just a fun AI to chat with. It's a tool you can turn into quick cash if you know how. It's like having a 24/7 assistant that never complains, never sleeps, and works faster than you ever could. In this video, I'm going to show you 5 real ways you can earn money fast using ChatGPT. So, if you are ready to turn conversations into cash, then hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon. Let's dive in. Number 5. Content writing services. Alright, the first one is probably the most obvious, but it's also the most reliable: content writing services. Now, before you roll your eyes and say, "Oh, everyone's doing that," hear me out. Businesses need content every single day. Websites, blogs, newsletters, email marketing, social media posts runs on words. And not everyone can write well. Neither they have the time. The content writing market is worth $22 billion today, and it's shooting up to $35 billion by 2032. That's explosive growth, and it tells you something really simple. Companies are putting money into content writing business because it brings them traffic, and traffic equals sales. Here's where ChatGPT comes in. Instead of staring at a blank Google Doc for 2 hours, ChatGPT spits out drafts in seconds. You polish them, add your voice, and boom! Articles ready to sell. Here's the crazy part. There are many freelancers on Upwork who openly shared how they made $1,200 in their very first month just selling blog posts written with ChatGPT. Imagine scaling that with regular clients. Freelancers on sites like Upwork and Fiverr are charging between $50 to $200 for a single blog post. Even if you undercut the market to get started, say, charging $30 per blog post, you could pump out 3 or 4 a day using ChatGPT. That's nearly $100 a day, and if you scale with regular clients, you're suddenly looking at a full-time income. And here's a little secret. Businesses prefer consistency. If you tell them, "Hey, I'll deliver 3 blog posts every week," and you use ChatGPT to keep up with that schedule, they'll happily stick around because reliable content creators are rare. So yeah, this isn't just about writing anymore. It's about becoming a content machine with ChatGPT as your engine. Comment yes if you'd start today and make $100 a day writing blogs, or $500 building custom GPTs. The next one, which we are going to talk about, is the most advanced way to make money with ChatGPT, but it's also the most profitable. Number 4. Custom GPT development. OpenAI allows people to build their own custom GPTs, basically specialized versions of ChatGPT, trained for specific industries or tasks. Think of it like building your own little AI product. You can create a GPT that's designed for fitness coaches, real estate agents, copywriters, or even students. And people are already making serious money with this. One developer bragged in a Reddit thread that he landed a $1,500 contract building a custom GPT for a real estate company. Others are creating GPTs, listing them on marketplaces, and earning passive income as people pay to use them. The best part? You don't need to be a coding genius. OpenAI's platform has made it drag and drop simple. If you can create prompts and know how to guide the AI, you can build something valuable. And let's look at the bigger picture here. The AI market is projected to reach $1.8 trillion by 2030. That's not just hype, that's where the world is headed. Businesses are racing to adopt AI, and if you're the person who can deliver those tools, you're positioning yourself at the front of that wave. Smash that like button if you'd build your own AI product. Number 3. SEO Keyword Research Services. This might sound boring, but trust me, this is one of the easiest ways to earn money if you know how to position it. Businesses need keywords, so their websites rank on Google. You've probably seen people charging crazy money just for keyword lists. And with ChatGPT, you don't even need to be an SEO expert. Here's the trick. ChatGPT, especially when paired with free tools like Google Keyword Planner, can generate dozens of keyword ideas in minutes. Ask it, give me 50 long-tail keywords around vegan meal prep, with low competition and high traffic potential. Boom! It delivers a goldmine of ideas. On Fiverr right now, keyword research gigs go anywhere from $30 to $150 per project. And that's for literally handing over a spreadsheet. Imagine doing 5 of those in a week. You're pulling in an extra $500 without writing a single article. And here's a little fact for you. 68% of all online experiences start with a search engine, which means if a business isn't ranking, they're invisible. That's why they'll happily pay you to hand them the roadmap. So yeah, keyword research might sound nerdy, but with ChatGPT, it's basically a money printer if you know how to package it. So, is it smart hustle or just luck? Let me know in comments. Alright, let's talk about something a little different. Number 2. Offer translation services. The internet is global, but not everyone speaks English. In fact, only about 17% of the world's population speaks English. That means there's a massive demand for content in Spanish, French, German, Chinese, Arabic, you name it. Now, you might be thinking, but I don't speak another language. That's where ChatGPT becomes your best friend. It can translate text across multiple languages almost instantly. And before you say, Google Translate already does that, here's the difference. ChatGPT doesn't just translate, it rewrites in natural, human style that actually connects with readers. Businesses need this. Imagine a company in the US that wants to sell its product in Mexico or Spain. They don't just need their website translated, they need ads, blog posts, product descriptions, and emails rewritten for that market. And they're willing to pay good money for it. On freelancing platforms, translators are charging 10 cents to 20 cents per word. That means if you translate a 1,000-word article, you're looking at $100 to $200. And with ChatGPT, that 1,000 words can be done in minutes. Even if you double-check the text or polish it for accuracy, it's still way faster than manual translation. A small e-commerce seller said he doubled his sales just by translating his store into Spanish using AI tools. That's the power of language. By 2030, translation will be a $73 billion industry. And with ChatGPT, you don't even need to be bilingual to cash in. So yeah, this isn't some temporary gig. This is an actual booming industry. And ChatGPT gives you the power to step into it even if you're not bilingual. Now hold on, because the next one is really exciting. And honestly, it feels like a cheat code. Number 1. Build AI-powered YouTube channels. Look, YouTube is still the king of online video. Over 2.7 billion monthly active users, and billions of hours of content watched every single day. People are making life-changing money on this platform. But the problem is, most people never start because making videos feels overwhelming. That's where ChatGPT comes in. You don't need to show your face. You don't even need to record your own voice. You use ChatGPT for scripts, feed them into text-to-speech, and match with stock or AI visuals. Suddenly, you've got a faceless YouTube channel. And this is where it gets insane. Channels like these are blowing up. One faceless history channel went from 0 to 100,000 subscribers in 6 months using AI-generated scripts. They're now pulling in thousands every month. Faceless channels are pulling in $10,000 to $50,000 a month just from ad revenue, not even counting sponsorships or affiliate deals. And the beauty is that ChatGPT can pump out endless content ideas and scripts, so you're never stuck staring at a blank page. Imagine uploading 3 videos a week on autopilot. Within months, you've got a growing channel that pays you every month like clockwork. Yes, it takes time to grow, but YouTube is one of the few platforms where the rewards just keep compounding. And you're not limited to one channel. Once you crack the formula, you can duplicate it in different niches. History, fitness, finance, lifestyle, anything you like. So let me ask you, if you had to start a faceless channel today, what niche would you pick? Drop it in the comments. AI isn't coming in the future. It's already here. The only question is, are you using it to build wealth, or are you letting the wave pass you by? Hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and press the bell icon. Thanks for watching.